Diaquits, Joanna is an Dom, and I'm a co-founder of Irish Socksciety, a Galway-based brand inspired by all things Irish, which means the Irish language, Irish landscape, humour and culture. Irish language is within the culture of everything we do. All our products are bilingual, our website is bilingual, our notes, our invoices, our catalogues, our packaging, everything consists of the Irish language. And we are very proud to say that over 60% of people who are getting in touch with us now feel comfortable to use a bit of Cúpla Focal in their communication with us. More and more of our customers use Irish language in their gift notes. So you can see how encouraged they feel and comfortable within our environment to use the Irish. So we're very, very proud of that. So obviously the Irish is on the Stocky themselves too. So we make sure that we bring the soul of the country into the souls of the people around the world. We're absolutely proud to be a part of Gaillimh le Gaeilge Gradam again this year. We feel it's extremely important to support bilingualism in Gaillimh and are very much looking to the finals and fingers crossed and Fáilte Chuig Solna Stocky.